How you doing?
I'm doing great, Carmen.
Good, good. So you came from what, Coromandel Valley to see us, did you?
Not today. No, I came from home, St. Peter's.
St. Peter's?
Yeah.
Excellent. So you've done some lessons here at Prepare to Pass.
Yes, I did.
Yep.
Got the 3-lesson package,
Yeah.
including Vort.
And that's because you had some lessons somewhere else before.
Yes, I had lessons prior to this. However, I don't know, those lessons I didn't feel they were teaching me much.
Right.
And then coming here, you get introduced to new techniques and reference points that I didn't even realize were there.
Oh, right. So a lot of stuff was missing out of the teaching.
Yeah, a lot of stuff was missing, and so coming here, I really feel like I've learned a lot more on how to be safer and how to actually be spatially aware on the road.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah, and you ride a motorbike too, don't you, on your L's?
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm on a motorbike as well.
So when you saw the difference, what parts weren't you being taught that you feel? And what were you doing there? Parallel parks, 3-point turns. Were you doing any of that stuff at all, or what?
I mean, we were taught very little basics on parallel parking and turns, enough to get you through the maneuver, but not well. And so pretty much coming here, I've been taught how to nail it every time.
Bingo.
That's the biggest thing.
Nail it.
Like, because you get taught your reference points, and then you become so much more aware of how you're positioning yourself. So that's the biggest key difference.
Yeah. So
whereas before I was taught how to feel for it, and that's not a good idea. It's not a good idea. You need
That's
proper...
not teaching much, is it?
Yeah.
Feel.
Feel's just you.
A word.
Yeah.
That's crazy. No, you need more definitive stuff, hey?
Yeah, definitive is surely it, yeah.
So how many lessons have you had somewhere else?
I'd done around about, I think, 9?
What?
9 lessons, yeah.
9 lessons?
9 lessons.
Are you kidding me?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah.
You must be really peeved off.
I was, because this surprisingly was not the first time I'd done the Vort, because I'd said it previously.
Yeah.
But it didn't do me any good. They hadn't taught me enough, and I don't think I was ready for it, and I ended up failing it.
Yeah.
First time.
Yeah.
So
then you decided to make a change, eh?
Yeah. Then I saw that a few of my mates were coming through here. I saw it on the Facebook through these videos.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know what, give it a shot. And now
you're on video.
Yeah, and I'm on video.
Oh, that's great, mate. Well, look, wish you all the best, and you deserve to have the information.
Yeah.
You know, you've been held back, and you've been paying all that money for lessons and not really getting any quality training.
Yeah.
But at least, you know, you're at the end of the day smart enough to make that change. Yeah, well done, Jay.
Probably the best decision I made with driving.
Excellent, mate.
Was moving over to here.
Good, good. Good tip. All right, well, all the very best, mate. Safe and many happy years on your motorbike or your cars.
Yeah.
And on to the mechanic course, eh?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. We'll probably see you over at Macca's.
Probably.
Because that's just down the road.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
See you, Jay.
See you, Carmen.
Thanks for your feedback.
Thanks.
See ya.
Bye.